I was saying to myself, I don't want this to fall in there if I can help it. Keep my sawdust right there. And there we have it. Hey YouTube, it's Sean with YouTube Pays My Mortgage. Today we're going to cut a hole in this bathroom floor so I can go under the house and look and see why I'm not able to screw part of my new subfloor down to the floor joist. In a certain area, seems like there's nothing to screw to. I also am going to install a shower in this area tomorrow, so the floor needs to come up anyways. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this saw right here and we're going to cut this plywood. I'm going to probably cut a piece right here, and then I'm going to go down that floor joist right there and then come across and then rip it up with a hammer and a pry bar. And then I'll get the little pieces on the side separately. But for right now, let's cut a big hole, big enough for me to go down in there. So hang on. All right, got my eye protection, which is a must. Got my gloves. This is gonna get loud. I told the neighbors I'd keep the real loud stuff down before a certain time, so I gotta be quick. So there's another floor joist right about here going across, and I want to cut this side of it so I don't get in any nails, and then the rest I can get out, you know, piece by piece. I'm gonna set my saw blade about the depth of the plywood only. We'll try that. And we talked about nails, and there's a nail. Go right next to it here. Make sure I'm not too deep. And we'll just cut right here for now. Take this out in a couple pieces. All right, we have tools. I don't know that the saw blade was actually deep enough. We'll know in a second. Got to get started here. It was deep enough. There we go. I was saying to myself, I don't want this to fall in there if I can help it. Keep my sawdust right there. And there we have it. There's enough room for me to get down in there and go investigate. Let me show you guys down in there real quickie. Oh yeah. I'm going down. Let me go first and then I'll try to take you guys with me. Well, when I was trying to screw down this row here, from about here to here, every time I put a screw down, it was like I was hitting air. Well, I was trying stud finders, all kinds of stuff. Well, the floor joist was just, you know, rotten and weak for the first inch of it. When I was down there underneath last night, I crawled all the way over here and noticed that the 2x8 stringer floor joist, about the first 2 inches of it was in bad shape. So I found some 7-inch screws. And now the floor is down. It's solid. Plus I picked up the whole shower system right here by Sterling. There's a picture of the shower base. The other two boxes are in here. Of the whole shower system. Let me show you what it's going to look like. It'll look like that when it's done.